Here's how easy it is to install your new Adventure Kings Grand Tourer rooftop tent.
All you need is a couple of basic hand tools and a few mates to help you lift it on.
First, open it up and grab the brackets out. You'll have the alloy mounts, steel flat plates, and nuts and bolts. Measure and check you have at least 1300 millimeters between mounting points, then you're ready to lift it up. Your next step is to slide these alloy mounts with the bolts into the rails, so that two are positioned either side of each roof bar or mounting point. Fit the steel plates and nuts to each of the four corners. Now if you've got a flat rack or a third roof bar, we recommend using the other two mounts for extra support. Next, check you're happy with the position and then tighten the nuts at all four corners. And finally, if you need to, you can move the ladder mount to either side of the tent by simply loosening these nuts and sliding it off, then tightening it back on. And that's it. Your new Adventure Kings Grand Tourer rooftop tent is ready to go. You wouldn't believe a setup so good would be that easy.